everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and today I'd like to welcome you to my closet. So today I will be doing a closet tour slash closet organization. So I recently moved to a new apartment unit and not even a month ago, so I'm still in the process of unpacking and putting everything up where it should go, and I thought I'd tackle my closet today, build a new shoe rack to put more shoes on. I have some hangers here to hang some more clothes in the closet. Yeah, that is what I will be doing today. Just building a shoe rack, hanging up some stuff, reorganizing everything, and just giving you a little bit of a final result tour. So before I forget, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. I do thrift content, thrift hauls, secondhand fashion, all that good stuff. And if that's something that you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe and like. I will also have my Instagram linked down below. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's just get into building and organizing and all that stuff. So I will be giving you a kind of a before shot of what the closet is looking like. Very sorry for the shaky footage. So I have most of my shoes up here, and then I have this shoe display rack where I want to put some of my most used Doc Martens. I also have shoes underneath here. Can't really see because it's dark, but underneath this rack of clothes. And then I have more clothes at the bottom. So yeah, this is a before little shot of what it looks like. I mean, not bad, but it can definitely be better. And here is the shoe rack I got. It is from IKEA, and it is the Zig, T-J-U-S-I-G. I don't know how to pronounce that. So let me quickly open this up. And we can get started on building it. I think I'm going to finish getting all the stuff out and then show you. So I have finished building the shoe rack. So let me show you what it looks like. Oof, these horrible angles. But yeah, there it is. It actually wasn't that difficult. And yeah, pretty straightforward. So build that. I will be putting it in my closet. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be putting this in my closet and then start hanging clothes that I want to put in my closet and then show you what it looks like at the end.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah.
So now we are done. I just finished reorganizing everything, and it's not, I mean, it's done for today, but I definitely need to still find a place to hang my purses and my belts. But I do have all the shoes put up. I kind of reorganized this little shelving thing here, and I hung everything I needed to hang up, and I still have room, so that's good. But let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so yeah, that has been my closet tour slash organizing my closet. And yes, I will admit, I do have way too many clothes, and I actually just cleaned out a lot of clothes prior to the move. But I will say I am very proud that I would say 80 to 90% of the clothes and a lot of the shoes are secondhand or thrifted, so. And I've been accumulating this stuff for about 7 years, so it is a lot, but I do buy only secondhand, or mostly secondhand. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. I hope that this got you inspired to organize or clean out or just get your closet looking how you want it to look. I know I've been putting off doing this, but I'm glad I got it done. It looks way better. I can actually find things and, you know, remember that I have these shirts, so I don't need to go buy more. But yeah, I'll see you next week with another video. And please remember to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Bye.